Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Daily. It's your boy Julio back at it again with ProjectFox, and I'm in the baby right now. As you see in the previous video, we actually had to fix a whole bunch of patches due to the hailstorm, and I think it's about time I catch you up on a lot of things that you didn't get to see off camera. And like I said, it's been a while since I posted. I'm trying to be more consistent, but everything happens, and so I'm going to show you a lot of things that's been happening since y'all last seen me post a video. But until then, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. Go ahead and click that subscribe. You get to stay tuned with future projects that I build and also keep up with ProjectFox. You know, we still got a long way before this card's actually fully done, and I still got a lot of plans for it as well. And then if you don't, well then it's catch. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. So the first thing to start out with, my car's been at the shop for about 2 weeks, including during the hailstorm, and that's because I actually got my driver's side of the window fixed, which it fully works now. There is some issues. I'll show you how it works. I got the part from LMR. See, it goes up, but look, as you can see, it doesn't go all the way up. It's actually kind of crooked, and we actually replaced the window guide bushings. And if I open it, it corrects itself, and it goes all the way up. As you can see, besides that one part, which I'll tell you why that's like that here in a few seconds as well. So, with that being said, if you look down here, if you go up, it's actually coming down. You see that? Like, I'm not even joking with you. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, so it's actually going down instead of up like it's supposed to. So the shop I took it at, they were telling me that the people before actually cut out the wires and got it all mixed up, and that's why it's like that. So that's another thing I gotta fix. I gotta fix the wiring on that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car. Save some gas right there. So the window is one issue that I gotta fix, but luckily it still goes up and down, because I actually do plan on getting the windows tinted, probably 5%. I think this is what they call a factory 15% all the way around, which I don't like. I want it dark. And then if we go in the trunk, there's a few things I'll show you. It's like the little things, but it doesn't make a difference. Like, I got the 5.0 mat, that makes this pop out a whole lot more. And underneath it is, of course, the original matting. But like this little brown wooden spot, this was actually molded out. I'll show you a picture of what it looked like before, but this is brand new from LMR. Literally, this brown piece of wood is just for the tire, a spare tire, and it works just as fine as like the convertible. It doesn't matter, they're all one size. You kind of do gotta like force it in. And in this, I don't know if you've seen previous videos, but this used to like hang out. I got new clips to actually put them on. That's why they're nice and steady, and things in here just like a whole lot just cleaner. And then, so that's it really for the back. You come up front, I actually measure these on both sides to just be pristine and on point. The Cobra logo's on there. Damn, I do gotta clean the rims though. Look at that. Holy shit. And that's it really. I haven't really done much to this car. Oh yeah, back to the window. So as you can see, it doesn't line up properly just like that. Reason being is because when they worked on this car last, when they dealt with the door, turned out this wasn't placed on properly, or they have it too far close to the left. So what they're gonna have to do is I gotta take it to like a body shop and have them kind of scoot the door back some, if that makes sense. And from there, this will be realigned perfectly, just like that. And that's it, really. I made it seem like it was a lot. It wasn't really a lot, but I mean, for me personally, it was a lot because like I didn't buy all this at one time. It was just like, got a paycheck, bought these items, got another paycheck, bought these items. And that's it, really. I haven't really come anything too crazy. The car's still running fairly smooth, which I'll show you here when we get on the highway again. But overall, I would say my car is like 80% done. There's still a lot of things I do want to do. I do want to take it to like a detailer shop and get the inside detail. I think that'd be really cool. I don't need it because it looks really smooth, but to get the little things, make it shiny again. Like, I don't know, you see dust right there. Got all this black stuff, get it nice and shiny again. I do have to add more ATF into the convertible pump because it's running fairly bad. Oh, it's running fairly bad. But I think all that is just low on fluid, because I mean, it's been the same thing for 20 years. It probably just needs to be flush and then refluid. If not, then it's a bad pump, which I'm trying the cheapest possible way, which is basically just replace the fluid, or add more fluid. It's probably low on fluid, and see if that's an issue, which I get to in another video. But that's everything that's wrong with the car right now. It's really just the door. The door is the main issue. That's the only thing I gotta fix, is the wiring, and then the going to a body shop and getting it realigned, basically. Honestly, when it comes to window regulator, you could do it yourself, but it's just insanely hard. From all the YouTube videos I saw on LMR, I knew I couldn't do it myself. I just feel like I've been talking about this video. I'm really sorry, but I'm just trying to catch you up. Let's go ahead and actually let's go ahead and just drive the car around so I get the good feel of the vehicle. Turn it on. Woo, baby, she's kind of warmed up now. I kind of made like 2 videos in one, but doesn't matter. I'm gonna let it idle down to about 9. I think we had it set at 900. Oil temp's good, gas is good. Now, I do have a problem. You know how to fix this. When I fill up the gas tank, you know how you can just walk away from the pump and the air should stop the gas from flowing if it's filled? Well, I can't do that. If I walk away, it's gonna overfill and there's gas over to the floor. So I kind of, every time I go and put gas, I gotta like guesstimate how much gallons I gotta put in. So if you know any tips that can help me fix this or where it could be, let me know. Chop, chop, chop. I mean, she's not chopping as good right now, but yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and raise up the window, I guess, in that case. Ooh, baby. Stop. No stop, is what I say. JK. It's crazy. So actually, what I really want to do is find out how this car sounds like. I did have like a headband, but my car, the seat just sits up too high, so it looks like I'm looking at the convertible top from when I was looking at previous videos. Okay. Try this directly over me. She just sounds so good. Summer in Mexico, viva Mexico. Gosh. But yeah, you know what, guys? That's gonna wrap up the video. Sorry if I talked a lot in this one, but I really tried to catch up on a lot of things that was going on with the car and what I had done while I haven't been posted. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for the next ones. Don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment. What's your project car? You know, I am looking at my next project car. I've been looking at Maple Motors. They have a lot of good classic cars, fairly reasonable prices, so that's what I've been looking at. And but yeah, they've had cars at a very reasonable price, so that's what I've been looking at lately. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for the next. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment, and of course, comment down below your daily project. Stay tuned for the next. The boys out. Skadoosh.